You got to remember back in 1811, this may have looked completely different. I mean, there may be what they call witness trees, trees that were here during the time that Chuck said before, if only trees could talk, what they could tell us. But a lot of these other trees that are very thin that you see around us probably were not here during 2 centuries ago. So